Noir Z series, then the QK65, then Geruza 65, QK60, Zoo 65, Z series, QK65, then Zoom 65. Both are good, regardless. Where is Tiger 80 Lite? Tiger 80 Lite is a plastic keyboard. I'm considering the what do you call it? The budget alu keyboards. The Freebird I have not reviewed, so unfortunately I haven't tried the Freebird. Yeah. So based on the budget alu keyboards, yeah. If I was to choose out of all of them, I'd still pick Tiger 80 Lite over all of the alu ones. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I haven't personally tried Freebird myself, so I can't really judge. But yeah, this is a really good board, I would say. One of the better OwlLab keyboards that I do genuinely like myself. The other one I do really like is Mr. Suit, but it does get boring a little bit, the sound. But yeah, this is a very different sound. It's soft. It's foamy. It can be foamy, it cannot be foamy, and it still works. But with the foams, it's a little bit softer sounding, a little bit nicer, a little bit cleaner as well. And it's not as loud, and it's not as, you know, it's not as boring as other foamy keyboards out there in the market. Jesus Christ, the song. What the heck was that? Yeah, anyways, this board is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's different. It's different. That's what I like. That's what I really, really want. It's different. Yo, Arwar, thank you so much for the Prime sub. Sorry the alert boxes aren't working for some reason, but thanks so much, dude. Coba pakai Xiaomi. Malas bongkar na bang, udah. If you use Xiaomi on this, it will be a little bit too muted. So I don't recommend to use... I don't recommend you use a PBT set on... A thick PBT set. I don't recommend you use that on this. If you want the sound to go out. Because if you use like a thick PBT set like CRP on this, it will be too muted. In my opinion, it will be too muted, and you won't... yeah, exactly. It will suck the life out of it, so... Yeah. I'm waiting for the FBTKL and Geruza 65, and Geruza is honestly super, super good, dude. It's super, super good. You'll be happy if you get that board, so... I personally like it so much. But yeah, this is a great board. Very interesting one. I love that they use an acrylic top over an alu top, but I think you can also get the alu top, right? But yeah, the acrylic top is certainly a very good a very good component to this keyboard success. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Pretty well done. So again, guys, this is going live on October 7th. Oh, how heavy is this board? Right. It's 1.3 kilograms. 1.3 kilograms. Not too heavy. Decent weight, actually. Yeah, Xiaomi is pretty good for its price point. Has nice legends, has nice quality as well. It's pretty good for a budget keycap set, and I would say it's probably one of the better budget keycap sets out there in the market. And yeah, it's nice. But CRP is still better, yeah. Yes, this is acrylic top, yes. Yeah, I also own 2 XMI sets as well, so... Yeah, overall, again, guys, if you want to go for this keyboard, October 7th, this will go live on your respective vendors. Let me read out the vendors so you guys can... Yeah, it's honestly an interesting board. If you're looking for a budget 60%, that's actually pretty good. This is pretty good. I would recommend this to a lot of people. It's wireless as well. It can be wireless if you want to make it wireless. So that's also a plus point. It's 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth if you want those. So yeah, it's pretty good.